Hi, my name is Kimberly Herrig, and I'm going to discuss my FitnessGram data analysis project. The schools I chose to work with are in the Bonita Unified School District. I chose the four elementary schools in Laverne, which are Roynan, Oak Mesa, Grace Miller, and Laverne Heights, as well as the middle and high school, which is Ramona and Bonita High School. The two schools I focused on are Grace Miller Elementary and Ramona Middle School. Grace Miller is where my three girls go to school. I have a fourth grader there, and I have twins in third grade. There are 427 total students at this school, and then this is a link to the demographics of the school. So this is the summary of Grace Miller. I have some links here to the overall summary, the female and the male summary, as well as some graphs that go over the healthy fitness zone, the number of students that were in this zone, as well as a percentage of kids at this school. I also have a graph here that gives us the percentage that need improvement. So to summarize the Grace Miller, um, we have three categories that needed the most improvement, which are aerobic capacity, abdominal strength, and body composition or body fat. So one issue I have with the body fat percentage is that some aspects of this measurement rely on criteria that are out of control of this child, such as heredity and lifestyle. So then we go into Ramona Middle School, which is also in Bonita Unified. Our total population here is 1,391. I have a link here to the demographics, and this is also the middle school my children will be attending. I have in the summary of Ramona Middle School, I have graphs here that again give us the healthy fitness zone, the number of students, and the percentage of students that are in this zone, as well as the percentage that need improvement. I have links here to the overall summary, the female and the male summary report. So at Ramona, the numbers look much better in middle school, with body composition being the one that needs the most improvement. And overall, their physical fitness looks good and shows that the PE department is doing a good job in keeping their kids physically fit. So comparing the data, there was a big jump in physical fitness in middle school, which could be from more mature physical development and just knowledge of physical activity. And also, in conclusion, I learned how to access this important information, which it will be an asset to apply in my future students' physical fitness. Thank you.